Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today we are starting a new journey where we're going to show you our homeschooling setup and how we teach our kids little life skills. So today's life skills class is sorting the laundry. So the kids have already learned how to do it and they're going to demonstrate how we do it at home. So we put some washed laundry in front of them and they start to do all of them know their own jobs. So this is Zainab right here, then we have Fatima and Aisha. Zainab is 10 years old, Fatima is 7 years old, and Aisha is almost turning 4, inshallah. So yes, please begin. Everyone has their own role. We don't let them use the iron yet, but they're practicing. Only Zainab is practicing. No one else is allowed to touch the iron yet. And we don't turn it on. We just she practices with a cold iron. So she would take the iron and she would start to press. And Fatima's job is to fold little bits of laundry, little clothing articles, like she's folding her vest right now. So, and Aisha is also trying to fold her vest. But what are the things that we need to keep in mind for using an iron, Zainab? Yes, and whatever Aisha is doing right now, is that safe to do? Is it safe to do? She's right in front of you. Her hands are almost touching the iron. That's not safe at all. Aisha, you have to move back. Yes, pick it up, move back please. Over there. You're not gonna do iron, you're gonna fold. Okay? You're little and just like Fatma Api, you're going to fold. Okay, Fatma Api, start to fold please. How do we fold? So we have the west flat on the... Yes. Now? Yes, this is good enough. Aisha? Good job. Yeah. Yes, you're doing it correct. Very good. So now we have our vest nicely folded. We see that all the corners match and that it's looking nice and flattened. So that when we fold our clothes nicely, it does two jobs. One, it doesn't create a lot of mess in the drawers or the cupboards. And the other thing is, when we fold nicely, when we take it out to use, it's almost as if it has been pressed or ironed. Good job. Aisha, stay away from the iron. You have to stay away. The iron gets hot and we have to stay away from it, okay? Fatma, please teach Aisha how to be safe when you're around someone who's ironing clothes. Zainab, that was a very big foul. If the iron was turned on and it had touched Fatima's foot, what would have happened? Yes, so you're still not safe to be. So yeah, okay. Now this is done. You can put the iron away. We still need a lot of practice and safety first to be learned. Okay, now, how would you fold this pillowcase? Yes. Very good. Are all the corners nicely matched? It looks very nice. Okay, because this is how we keep our pillowcases in our cupboard. So we're gonna do it just this much. Some people do it other ways. Anyone can do it. Everyone can do the way they want to. So this was our sorting the laundry class. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. More homeschooling videos coming up soon. Stay tuned. Assalamu alaikum.